Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the PowerPoint Calendar Creator. Now, I bought that alongside the PowerPoint Replicator the other day, and if you want to know a bit more about that, that'll be in the card above my head. Now, before we go any further, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. You know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So come join us over here and let's have a look at how this is done. Okay, now in this part of the video, we're going to be looking at the actual folder. Now, in this particular folder, you'll find that the software comes as an actual Excel file, and you'll be able to create your calendar using this. Now, all we need to do is open this up area here, and then you'll see the multilingual calendar creator Windows version 2 final. Now, all we need to do is go back here, and that's the one you need to open. Now, I already have it opened, so I'll just go straight to it. Now, you'll also find that in this folder, let's bring that folder back up again, you'll have this one called templates. Now, this one here is really important because this one here is where you have your main calendars that you need to work with. Now, let me just open this one up here for you for a moment, and I want to show you something pretty cool. Now, as you can see, you've got this one set up like this, and you're going, oh, what's this? Well, this is the base format of how they create the calendars. Now, what we need to do is just click on that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to table design, and over here I'm now going to click on this, and I'm going to click over here to where it looks like this. Now, the reason I do that is so as I can put an image in the background and not have it look ugly. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to save this as, and I'm going to make this number 2, and I'm going to make that calendar monthly, and I'm going to make that number 2, and then we're going to hit save. And I now know that when I have this work, it's going to be number 2 I have to choose. Now, what I'm going to do is we need to make sure we choose either weekly, daily, or monthly. In this particular case, I'm going to choose monthly. Now, we also need to choose the year, and in this particular case, I have already chosen it's going to be the day, month, and year. So in this particular case, it is the 1st of the 1st, 2021. And that's how I've got it set up like this one here, day, month, year. Now, I'm going to be making sure it's a 12-month calendar, and that it is starting with a WED instead of an entire Wednesday. Now, whether it's Wednesday, it doesn't really matter what it is. As you can see, it's just abbreviating when it starts. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go select a PowerPoint. Now, remember I showed you the templates? Well, let's go back to where those templates were, and we need to click in here. And remembering how I changed the calendar to calendar creator 2, monthly 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that one. And next thing we need to do is make sure we verify the PowerPoint. And we did that, and it's okay. Now, the next thing we need to do is generate the calendar, and we do that by clicking right here. And what that's going to do is when we click on here and have a look at the calendar that it's created, you'll see it's actually creating the calendar as you go along. It's a pretty cool thing to watch, and before you know it, it is going to be completely created. And there we are. Now, this is a 6 by 9 calendar, and how we can tell that is by going over to size, going over to custom slides, and as you can see, this is a 6 by 9 calendar. And we can click off here. Now that we know that, we can know that when we upload this into Amazon KDP, we choose the 6 by 9 size. Okay, so that being said, what we need to do now is remove that. Now, what I'll plan on doing right here is I do plan on right clicking on the background, going over here where it says format background, and I'm going to go over here to picture and text, and it's going to bring up this really ugly background, but that's okay, because what I intend to do is I'm going to tend to grab this one here, take it up to about 50%, roughly 50%. In fact, I might just make that exactly 50%. and then hit enter. And what I'm planning on doing is going over here to insert. I'm going to go over here to picture, and then right here I'm going to choose, maybe I might choose beaches, I think, because that looks really nice. Now I'm going to click on this one here. I'm going to hit insert, and that will put it straight into this section here. Now I'll do the same thing again. I'm already here. I haven't clicked away from here. All I have to do is hit picture and texture fill, insert, going over here, and we're going to choose another one about beaches. So we're going to keep the entire theme of the calendar to do with beaches. So this one looks like a nice one, so I think I'll just choose that one. And in just a moment you'll see that it has a faded picture. Now the reason I put it down, I've actually faded the picture backwards a little bit and made it a bit more transparent, is so as it made the calendar a bit more functional. This way you can actually have a beautiful picture in the background and still have a functional calendar at the same time. And we are going to do the same thing with the next one, and that is go picture and text fill, insert, and as you can see it's kept the transparency at 50%, so you don't have to worry about changing that. So let's go back over here to beaches, and all you need to do is go through and just choose the pictures of the Creative Commons pictures that are here. Now Creative Commons are pictures that everyone can use, and you can also use it commercially. So you'll have no issues with anyone claiming copyright of your images. So that's the beautiful part about this, and you'll have no problems whatsoever, especially if you're getting it from this area here, from actual PowerPoint. And you can go through and you can choose whichever ones you like. I'm going to choose this one here, and you can go all the way through. Now I'm going to pause the video while I finish this, and then we will continue on from there. Okay, and as you can see, we are essentially finished. Now I'm going to just take this back up to the top over here, and you can see that it is done. And it's really easy to do, and we've gone all the way through from beginning through to the end. Now we want to make sure that this is actually accurate. Now as you can see, January 1st in 2021 I should say, starts on a Friday. Let's make sure that that is the case. So I'm going to bring up this calendar right here, which is 2021, and January 1st starts on a Friday. That is perfect. So as you can see, we have the entire 12-month calendar ready to go, already set up. All we really need to do now is, once we finish this, we just need to basically create a cover image for this, and it will be done. And now all we need to do is save this as a PDF. Now let's say, for example, when you have a PowerPoint 365, it doesn't come with Save As. And for you to be able to find the Save As icon, it's good to come here to this drop down menu just here. You see where it's got the line and the single dash? We just click on that. We go down to the bottom where it says More Commands. We click on that, and we click on this section here where it says More Commands, Popular Commands I mean. You click on that, and then we scroll down here to the third one down where it says All Commands, and we click on that. Now what we have to do is wait for that bar to shrink right down, and then we go down to the S. Once we found S, we then go to where it says Save As. We then click it across to that section just there. We already have it, so we don't have to worry about it, and then you can hit OK. So as you can see, we now have the Save As button. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to find where I'm going to be putting it. Now I have created a completed calendars. So what I plan on doing just there is I'm going to call that one 2021 Beach Calendar. Okay, and we're going to put that in the completed folder. We're going to be turning that into a PDF. So to do that, we have to click on this drop down menu, go all the way up to PDF, and we click on that, and then all we have to do is hit save. Make sure I have already got, we'll make that one number 2 so as it doesn't clash. Make that one number 2, and then we're okay. And in just a moment you'll see a little line at the bottom here open up. You can see it's processing. Don't hit cancel, and in just a moment we now have our 2021 calendar in our PDF form, ready to upload. Now remembering it's a 6:9 format, so you can create a 6:9 book, and you can then turn that into a 6:9 calendar that you can then sell on Amazon KDP as an actual book. Okay guys, that is as simple as that. Now if you want to have the link below, I will leave a link below for the PLR planner where you can go and get the PowerPoint calendar creator. Now as I said, you can get that from PLR planner, and as I said, I'll leave the link in the description down below. Okay guys, have a wonderful day. And now just remember, if you like this video, please remember to smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.